This is a Winjet taillights for 99 to 2006 Chevy Silverado, and here I'm going to show you how to change the taillights. So on the back you can see all the bulbs. The holes are the same as the OEM ones, so it's going to be a simple process. We'll just remove the OEM bulbs and plug into this housing. First thing you're gonna do is to remove this one and this one. These two screws, one on top and one on the bottom. After remove the screws, the tail light will just pop out. And as you can see, there are 4 connectors. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we just twist, and they're just gonna pop out like this. Pretty easy to remove. And here's the OEM housing. To install the Winjet taillights, let's do the bottom first. Push in and twist. Push in and twist. Before we reinstall the screw, we need to install these clips on here, and here. So just grab this retainer that comes with the kit. Push in, top and bottom. Now we can install these taillights like it should. Here's a screw. Alright, here's the taillight install.